right, here's a tour of our room, 8524, Deluxe Oceanview Veranda. Looks like it's a connecting room, but it's just us. So we've got the bed here. We've got our couch that I think turns into a bed too. I think that's where Joe's going to sleep. We've got the vanity here. Actually very large vanity with a lot of storage over there, little drawers. And there is, of course, the veranda, the beautiful, beautiful veranda. It smells brand new in here. Now, our room, look at that Paradise Falls. Our room is an up-themed room. That's right, up. There's the house from Up right there. One of Lawrence Journeys. Beautiful room. We do have the power outlets here by the bed. There's also USB-C ports there. On the other side of the bed, it is just the European style outlet. But there are additional outlets as well over here on the vanity. There's more outlets and more USB-C ports, as well as another European style. And then as we come over here, back by the entrance, we have the first part of the bathroom. We have the shower. And there's a vanity here, and trash and all that stuff down there. Of course, the amazing Disney toiletries and stuff like that in there, ready and waiting for you. It smells brand new. It smells amazing in here. Got your full-length mirror here on the door. And then next to that, like in most Disney ships, I hear, is the actual restroom here. So we have another restroom here where this is where the actual toilet is. And it has a sink over here as well. So, let's see, what is this? There's the main light. Oh, and then there's a night light down here. Oh, that's awesome. So you can just turn that night light on when you don't want to ruin your night vision. In the middle of the night, you have to go to the restroom. And then back over here, we have the closets. So there's this one, which has like place for your clothes and stuff, right? Like little shelvings. And then this one has actual closet with hangers. And of course, we gotta be safe, right? So we got our life vest up there. And then here is just another full closet. This is completely just for hanging clothes. It's really big. I can totally fit in there. It's a lot of space. And that is that's about it. It's a beautiful room. TV's here. Beautiful room, very comfy. The bed feels great. And that's it. It's a great room. It feels really good to be here after all this time. Looking forward to this cruise. It feels great to finally be on this boat for the maiden voyage of the Disney Treasure. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on all the adventures we're going to have on board on this 1 week journey. Thanks guys for watching, and see you next time.
Makes sense for someone who needs help. Yeah, I'm asking for a friend. Asking for a friend.